How's everybody doing today? Hey, that was not loud enough. How's everybody doing today? Let's go! Hey, so we gotta emphasize, you know what I'm saying, going in the hallways, acting like good students, you know? Like, we have to go through the hallways acting like civilized people, you know what I'm saying? Take care of your peers and the teachers and pick up your trash and just be a good person in general. We can do it. We're all good students. We're all good people. We just gotta, you know, keep up with it. You know what I'm saying? Thank you to the teachers and all the students for supporting us at the games and saying hi to us in the hallway. We really appreciate it. I'm gonna pass the mic over to Derek Hampton.
What's up, Eisenhower families? Derek Hampton! How y'all doing? I can't hear y'all! Hey everybody, y'all know what's going on tonight? It's homecoming. We need y'all energy. We feed off that. Everybody in the building, the staff, the students, the custodians, everybody. And I'm gonna run to see y'all out